and we are loud, and we are different, and we go against the grain of a typical company. 40 years ago, there was no social media, so you didn't really know the identity of brands per se, because they're not blasted everywhere on commercials and social media ads, and when you're searching through Google, they're popping up, right? Now people have a better opportunity to really dig deep on an organization and what they stand for, who they are, and what they're all about. That's like VisiPay. Not everyone's going to love who we are, but we as an organization has accepted the fact that we can't please everybody. And I think the same thing happens with other organizations. They have to know that they're going to probably attract a certain type of niche market, and they just can't make everyone happy, right? And I think brands are starting to realize that they're not going to make everyone happy, so they better double down on the people that are going to fall in love with them based on their identity as an organization. And for us, we're hoping that rural America businesses are the ones falling in love with us and who we are, the work hard, play hard mentality, the basic I don't give a fuck, but as long as we're doing it right mentality is important. You just got to own it. And I think that's where a lot of people are falling in love with, is companies that are owning who they are. And that's just not us. I'm talking about any other organization out there. So.